The iPhone 15 has arrived, and while the headlines are ablaze with excitement, there's a smarter way to get your hands on this cutting-edge device, the refurbished route. Today, we're exploring the refurbished iPhone 15 and why used mobiles for you might just be your ticket to owning the future of smartphones without breaking the bank. Let's start with design. The iPhone 15 is a masterclass in simplicity meeting elegance, featuring a 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR display that brings colors to life. But there's more than meets the eye. Apple's use of 100% recycled aluminium isn't just a nod to sustainability. It's a glimpse into the future of tech manufacturing. Is it eco-friendly or is it revolutionary? Maybe a bit of both. Beneath the sleek exterior, the iPhone 15 is powered by the A16 Bionic chip. This means 30% more power efficiency compared to the previous generation's A15 Bionic, so you get seamless multitasking and gaming with battery life to spare. For speed demons and gamers, this is a noticeable leap forward. Lightning-fast performance is no longer a luxury. It's the new standard. For the shutterbugs, the camera setup is nothing short of impressive. The main camera features a 24-megapixel wide sensor, capturing stunning images even in low light. Thanks to advances in computational photography, your portraits and landscapes will look professional, whether you're an amateur or a seasoned photographer. The iPhone 15 truly pushes creative boundaries. On the software front, iOS 17 transforms the user experience. With personalized screens, smarter notifications, and smart suggestions that actually learn from your habits, your phone becomes more than a tool. It becomes your digital ally. The iPhone 15 adapts to you, evolving with every swipe and tap. In a world where Samsung and Google bring fierce competition, Apple's focus on user-centric features gives the iPhone 15 a unique edge. It's not just about hardware, it's about the seamless integration of adaptive technology, keeping Apple's loyal fan base coming back for more. So why choose used mobiles for you? Every refurbished iPhone 15 comes with a reassuring 12-month warranty and free returns within 30 days if the phone isn't right for you. Now that's peace of mind as innovative as the phone itself.